Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Kraken account. Follow these steps to enable 2FA quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to the Security section found in the Account Settings menu. This is where you will manage your security features. Step 3. Select Two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, look for the option labeled Two-factor authentication and click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. You will be prompted to choose between using an authenticator app or receiving SMS codes. Select your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 5. Complete the setup. After selecting your method, follow the prompts to link your authenticator app or enter your phone number for SMS. Make sure to save any backup code provided for future access. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Kraken account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and up to date.